Now here's how you are going to generate your share code. The first thing you'll do is you will navigate to the website gov.uk view-prove. So this part of the video, I'm just going to walk you through. I'm going to break it down step by step because you need to produce a share code to show your residency status in the UK for a mortgage or for a loan. Now here's how you are going to generate your share code. The first thing you'll do is you will navigate to the website gov.uk view-prove-immigration-status. When you go there, you'll click on the start button. As you can see here, the start button is prominent, so we pointed it out right there. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to enter the identity document that you used on your application. So was it a passport, was it a national identity card, or was it a biometric resident card or permit? The next step, let's just say you used your passport, you would enter your passport number, then click continue. Next, you're going to enter your date of birth. Hopefully you know your date of birth, so you'll enter that and click continue. After that, you'll say, how do you want to receive the security code? Do you want to receive it by phone or by email? I imagine most people will want it sent to their phone. And then you click continue. You'll check your phone, enter the security code, click continue, and then it will produce your immigration status. Now, if you're using this for a mortgage, you'll need to generate this share code to send over to the mortgage broker. You may need to send it to the lender. So you'll click on prove your status, get a share code. So get a share code to prove your status. You may find that someone needs to confirm things like your right to work or live in the UK. This could be before you arrive or while you're here. You give them access to the information by creating the share code. The share code is valid for 90 days. So make sure that if you are doing something and you provide a share code that's going to take more than 90 days, be prepared to produce another one. Now, this is the important part for a mortgage. It's going to say, why do you need a share code? Do you need it to prove the right to work, including placements? That's not what I need as a mortgage broker. To prove the right to rent, I also don't need that. The one that I need is to prove the immigration status for anything else. For example, studying, council housing, or to get a driving license. So I need the third option. You click continue. This is related to right to work. That's not what we're looking for. So then you're going to provide your details or the share code to the individual, in this case to the mortgage broker or to me. Now the share code will be something that you'll send over to them, and then they'll be able to log in and produce the document that they need to verify your visa status. So make sure that you get this and it's ready, that when you're sending over things like your 3 months bank statements, 3 months pay slips, etc., you're able to send them the share code. Please check the information in the description. You'll be able to get through to me. I love working with people who this is their very first property in the UK. People that have a skilled worker visa. In a lot of cases, I can get them approved even when they didn't think that they could get approved. Now, what you're going to need, you're going to need 3 months worth of bank statements. You're going to need 3 months worth of pay slips if you are employed, PAYE, meaning that you get a pay slip every month. So you're going to need 3 months of bank statements, 3 months worth of pay slips. You'll need proof of your identification. So in most cases, that's going to be your passport. And just as a rule of thumb, when you're scanning your passport, make sure that it's fully visible, make sure there's no glare, and make sure that there's at least 2 inches of space around the passport that the compliance department will be able to accept that passport. You'll need proof of your address. In most cases, you cannot use a mobile phone bill. So what we'll be looking for is a council tax or a utility bill. So 3 months bank statements, 3 months pay slips. If you can get a P60, that's hugely useful. You're going to need proof of your identification. You're going to need proof of your address. and proof of your deposit. So if you use multiple bank accounts and you transfer money between bank accounts, you're going to need to provide 3 months of each of those bank accounts, because as we review your bank statements, if we see money being transferred between bank accounts, we need to know where it's going and what the purpose of that is. I have another video on how to produce a credit score through Check My File. You will need to provide your credit score, and Check My File is the most comprehensive way of providing that credit score. So my name is Anthony Lindsay, and if you're looking for a mortgage, make sure you reach out to me. Check the description below. But this has been an overview on how you produce your share code.